Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking all about deferred maintenance. Contrary to how it sounds, a deferred maintenance backlog can be a helpful tool. In this video, we'll show you how to use it strategically to get the most out of your maintenance resources. Deferred maintenance is when scheduled maintenance work is postponed to a later date. Regardless of whether a task is reactive or preventive, if there aren't enough staff or spare parts available, or if other higher priority tasks arise, the job will have to wait. A maintenance backlog is the list of tasks and work orders that have been postponed or deferred. Large maintenance backlogs are commonly caused by lack of a planned maintenance strategy, poor inventory management, or insufficient expertise, skills, or staff. Many items on a backlog end up being preventive maintenance tasks because other priorities can easily supersede them for a team with slim resources. But PM tasks are essential to the safety, functionality, and efficiency of your equipment, and if the backlog grows too big, it can be difficult to catch up, resulting in more breakdowns, more repairs, and higher legal, regulatory, and safety risk. Deferred maintenance isn't always a bad thing. If kept under control, it is a tool that allows your team to prioritize important work while shifting preventive maintenance to timelines when the necessary resources are available. But how can you tell when you're managing it well? Some clues that deferred maintenance is a problem are an increased frequency or regularity of deferring tasks, deferring essential tasks or repairs, or a maintenance backlog that becomes too large to resolve. On the other hand, if you're deferring mostly preventive tasks, mainly due to unexpected issues, and are regularly reviewing, prioritizing, and assigning tasks on your backlog, you know that your approach to deferred maintenance is sustainable and beneficial. If you find yourself in a position where your deferred maintenance backlog is overwhelming, follow these 5 steps to get it back under control. Step 1 is to create a central list of all backlogged tasks, their estimated completion time, and any specialized resources you'll need to get them done. Step 2 is to evaluate the criticality of each task and the cost associated with completing it. Those with the highest criticality or ROI should be completed first. Step 3 is assigning resources to each task. Taking task completion time into account, this step will give you an idea of how long it will take to clear your backlog. If additional funding or resources are needed to speed up the process, your criticality and ROI estimates from Step 2 will help you justify those costs. Step 4 is to adjust your maintenance strategy to focus more on preventive measures. Maintenance backlogs are most often the result of chasing reactive maintenance. By refocusing on a proactive approach, the need for deferred maintenance and backlogs will decrease. Step 5 is to leverage maintenance software to help your team get more done. By reducing a team's administrative burden, computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMSs, enable greater efficiency, reducing the number of maintenance tasks that need to be deferred or added to a backlog. A deferred maintenance backlog won't disappear overnight, but with consistent work and a smart maintenance strategy, you should be able to keep it under control and even use it to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and visit limblecmms.com to learn more.